time. Here we have the Toothless and Hiccup set. I had to unbox Hiccup because his leg fell off as soon as I got him. Let's find the scissors. Rock, paper, scissors! Which one? Here we are. Why are you so tense?
You did it!
His leg's in the package.
I got a magazine from Papa Dennis!
Cool!
And it has turtles in it!
Cool.
Gosh!
Here we are. Toothless. Real rubber dragon wings. Stop moving it. Hold it with 2 hands. Hold this thing with 2 hands. Okay. The heck? What do I do with it? Okay, well, I lost Hiccup leg. The heck? Ah!
I want to watch the TV.
Here you go. There. Wow. Toothless. Movable legs. Don't do that. I said don't make noises. Okay. What did I do with the leg? Cut the video. It's over. Wait, no. Okay, we got his leg back. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. We had to find his leg. Snapped off. Snapped off in the first 5 minutes. I wouldn't buy this. Hiccup isn't a good toy. I wouldn't buy it. Don't buy Hiccup plus Toothless. Then Toothless is a good quality. I would buy him. Well, it might be different. I'm paying you not to talk. Okay. I would advise against buying this.
And Grandma.
Push the pause button. We are back. Sorry about that. Now we have got Hiccup. Good quality. Fits on Toothless. His legs don't pop off. And tail turns. Good sail. Amazing based off the movie. Toothless is a good quality toy. Hiccup is not. I say he is.
Why are you angry?
He's held up by Toothless's saddle. Real dragon wings. Go down. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And make sure to watch our stop motion videos on our channel, Castle on Kids. Thanks for watching. Bye.